A really good friend of mine in college was still living with his parents and had this absolute ditz of a girlfriend who also lived with him at his parents' house. They were both 19 at the time and decided to try for a baby, even though neither of them had jobs or their own place. They also didn't tell his parents beforehand, wanting it to be a surprise, genuinely thinking it would make each other and their parents so happy. Now she's left him, and he's still living with his parents, working at Wendy's while his parents take care of his daughter. All of his income goes toward helping care for her. 8. That woman who called the cops on the birdwatching gentleman in Central Park. That video lasted a minute or so, and I'm pretty sure she will never get as good a job as she had ever again.